In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can add music or add songs to your Instagram story. Very easy, guys, very simple. First thing, of course, we want to go ahead and launch the Instagram app. So creating a brand new story will start from the upper left corner where you see the small blue plus sign. You want to click on this, and then you want to select something that you want to post. In our example, we are going to post this particular image over here. As usual, guys, you want to include all the edits. In our example, we're going to mention the Ferrari. Why? Because the car is Ferrari, and we want to make sure that the Ferrari official website sees our post. Okay, don't forget to mention, don't forget to make the post perfect so you have the highest chance to get viral. Okay, then you want to make sure that you include the locations. In our example over here, we're having Malibu. Very nice. You see now the post looks completely different. And guys, this is where the magic happens. Do you see the small note icon over here on the upper right? You want to click on the small note icon, and this is where the music comes. So the first will be For You. This is everything that is currently used in the viral songs, and this is where you can look through what is currently trending. But if you're not into trending and you are into more individual experience, you want to swipe on the right side and come over here and browse through the different genres. You have the weekend, you have the love, you have more R&B and soul, you have the hip hop, you have all the stuff together, okay? And last but not least, if you still cannot find what you like, you can come over here on the search bar and look for an artist or a particular song title. You can find it, and when you're ready, guys, all you gotta do is to click add. Next step is simply to click on the lower left, tap your story, and this is how you're going to post a story with a song on the Instagram app. Very easy, guys, very simple. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more.